Hey everyone, so I've teamed up with this guy on Insta right here. His name is Ugly Desserts. He makes great desserts. You should check out his feed. It's awesome. And that got me thinking. I know science. I know booze. My inner and outer fat kid knows desserts. Why can't I liquefy the dessert we're gonna do together? Which just happens to be limoncello whoopie pies with a raspberry cream filling. Let's make that into a drink. Martini shaker with ice. 3 shots limoncello. One shot raspberry vodka. 1/2 cup evaporated milk. Shake, 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 shake. It's all for the Whoopi, so she can get the Whoopi and stick it up her what?